luck is a major factor there. Two messages I have for the aspirant community. So first is self-belief. Second are not following any topper blindly.
What was your strategy, source?
Test solve करने के बाद आपका process क्या है? What do you do on a test? Solve the test.
I just gave 1 hour to analysis portion.
Prelims के पेपर में अटेम्प्ट जब आप करने जाएं तो अगर कोई सेक्शन टफ है तो फिर दूसरे सेक्शन पे स्विच कर जाओ.
What was your strategy different from your last mains to this mains in GS?
I used to solve 3 hours test of PYQs.
दोस्तों आप देख रहे हैं सिविल सर्विसेज स्ट्रेटजी सीरीज और आज हमारे साथ हैं नौशीन. शी हैज सिक्योर्ड ऑल इंडिया रैंक 9 and it was civil services 2023 result. So today's discussion will be strategy from the topper for the preparation of UPSC. So Nasheen, first of all, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
And dear friend, with me also Mr. Asif. He is the head mentor for the mentorship program and he is heading the test series program at Next IAS. So welcome Asif. And dear friends, I am B Singh. So Nasheen, you cleared prelims in first and second attempt.
Yes.
But in third attempt, you missed.
Yes.
And this was your fourth attempt.
Yes.
So what went wrong in the third attempt?
So it was the CSAT in which I scored only 57 marks. And I could not clear it because of that. And also, sir, more than that, I was facing anxiety issues in that attempt. So it was not my 100%. So that went wrong.
तो CSAT and anxiety.
Yeah.
तो दोस्तों ये ध्यान रखिए जो शब्द इन्होंने बोले हैं, एक तो CSAT और एक anxiety. And I find very impressive score in your history optional. You have scored 308.
Yes, sir.
So what was your strategy, source? Because history is something which was not usually not considered high scoring.
Yes.
But you scored.
Yes, sir. So I tried to make my own notes this time. So also the notes that I made, it was around 100 to 150 pages in the first go. And then when the exam was near, so I shifted those 100-page notes into 20-25 page
Right.
and then revised it continuously for like 4 to 5 times. And so there are many historians that we need to quote in answers. So it strikes in the paper only when we have read for like 5 to 6 times. So that strategy shift, sir, I think was the major change that I made in this attempt.
And you come from a small place, from Gorakhpur.
Yes, sir.
And you are an inspiration for the many.
Yes, sir.
Because you have inspired so many young girls and getting the rank in the first digit, coming from the small place. So you came Delhi and then you was in the Jamia for residential campus.
Yes, sir.
So how was your experience there and how it helped you
Yes,
in
sir.
study?
So more than anything else, it kind of normalized the whole process of exam for me. People around me were scoring such good marks or such good ranks. So, sir, the first rank in 2021 was from RCA. So, like it became very normal for me कि हाँ चलो ठीक है होता है ऐसा होता है exam clear हो जाते हैं
It's a
लोगों
very
का.
competitive crowd. I think every year there are so many rankers also who are looking at
Yes.
improving ranks.
Right.
So it more than anything else, it normalized things for me, and of course, answer writing, note making, sir, everything, sir, it has helped me a lot.
Right. And
Yes,
now
sir.
coming to your mains score. Last time when
Yes,
you wrote mains
Yes, sir.
and this time there
Yes,
is
sir.
huge difference.
Yes.
More than 200 marks you have jumped up. So what different you followed?
So in this attempt, sir, I tried to make newspaper notes. Every day, sir, I had a group of 3 people and I made a Telegram channel. We made a Telegram channel and so not public one, sir, private one. We were only 3 people and used to make notes of newspaper and we wrote the article or some headlines from that and then added to our own notes, the basic notes that we have. So we used to add it then and there कि हाँ मतलब ये चीज़ न्यूज़ में चल रही है. फिर सर टेस्ट सीरीज जब हम टेस्ट सीरीज कर रहे थे या फिर जो एक्चुअल एग्जाम था उसमें हम कोशिश करते थे कि कोई भी क्वेश्चन आया है तो फर्स्ट वी राइट दैट पॉइंट दैट वाज देयर इन न्यूज़ कि उसका एक पॉइंट बना के एग्जाम्पल दे करके तो वो जो आंसर था वो थोड़ा डिफरेंशिएट हो गया सारे बाकी लोगों
अलग हो गए बाकी लोगों से, इक्वालिटी इनरिच हो गई. चलिए अब आते हैं स्टेप बाय स्टेप बात करेंगे. अभी तो मैंने वो सवाल पूछे जो आपको डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं दूसरे कैंडिडेट से. prelims, then we will discuss mains, and then we will discuss the interview stage.
Yes, sir.
So for prelims stage I will talk, and then mains stage
Yes.
के लिए
Yes, sir.
Mr. Asif will talk to you. So Nausheen, prelims में, because you have a very rich experience.
Yes, sir.
You faced 4 prelims and you cleared 3 out of 4.
Yes, sir.
So what you suggest to students ki, like now 2 months are left, what they should do in this period?
Yes, sir. Sir, I think the previous year question, sir, it was very important. Sir, I used to solve around only 50 questions and then discussed with some friend of mine कि मतलब कैसे एक deduce करना है answer, कि even if I don't know the answer exactly, but how to deduce answers from the questions, or maybe previous year questions, some follow-ups or some kind of repetition that happens. So that was the main thing. And apart from that, sir, of course, I solved around 70 to 80 tests. I used to solve every day, 9:30 to 11:30 GS.
70 to 80 full papers.
Full papers.
That's 8,000
No.
questions.
Yeah. And then 2:30 to 4:30 CSAT. I just made it in my habit ki
Yes.
I have to solve
So
daily.
practice became your daily habit.
Yes.
That is important. आपके साथ में एक और टिपिकल केस में जो देख रहा हूँ कि आपका सीसेट क्लियर नहीं हुआ 3rd अटेम्प्ट में,
Yes, sir.
बट दिस ईयर पेपर वाज टफर देन द लास्ट ईयर,
Yes, sir.
and you done it.
Yes, sir.
So what strategy you followed for
Yes,
the
sir.
CSET which helped you to clear the CSET this year?
Sir, I decided this time that I will attempt comprehension questions first. So it was my luck that comprehension
Was
was
easier this time.
easier than
Easier.
the previous ones. So I solved comprehension questions first, and it was like around 30 to 32 questions, comprehension questions, and then I just
You came in comfort zone.
little comfort. फिर मैं कहीं रोने लगी कि कहीं कोई आसान क्वेश्चन है, उसको मैं करके किसी
And
तरह.
most students went other way. They started with math.
Actually, this is what has happened. Those who started with mathematics,
Yeah.
They
and
panicked.
mathematics area was lengthy and
Yes.
tough both.
Yeah.
They fall into
They
it.
panicked
Right.
and then
They panicked.
they could not do anything.
वही. तो फिर मैंने जल्दी क्वेश्चंस ढूंढे कि कोई आसान जो क्वेश्चंस हैं, उसके बाद मैं 32 के बाद फिर मैंने 46 क्वेश्चन कैसे किए. Then I checked the answer. I was answers when I went back to home, and I was sure कि हो रहा है मतलब. हाँ.
क्योंकि वो एक रियल फियर फैक्टर रहा होगा,
वही.
क्योंकि लास्ट उसके पहले अटेम्प्ट में आपका
नहीं
वही
हुआ.
बॉटलनेक बना
Yes,
था.
sir.
तो दोस्तों ध्यान रखिए, प्रीलिम्स के पेपर में अटेम्प्ट जब आप करने जाएं तो अगर कोई सेक्शन टफ है तो फिर दूसरे सेक्शन पे स्विच कर जाओ. बहुत ज़्यादा ईगो में नहीं ले लो. यू शुड नॉट बी ओवर सेंटिमेंटल ऑल्सो. इंजीनियर्स के साथ में ये बड़ी समस्या है. वो सोचते हैं अगर मेरा नहीं होगा तो किसका होगा, अगर मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा सीसेट तो किसका हो पाएगा.
You're not from engineering.
She was from humanities, so that is why she started with the reading comprehension. Yeah, good.
Yes, sir.
So coming to the prelims paper 1, general studies.
Yes, sir.
So how much you practiced previous year questions, and what is the relevance of the PYQs?
Yes, sir. Sir, this time, sir, I practiced previous year questions from 2003 to 2022. Daily, I used to solve 50 questions and discussed it with my friend. And there were some kind of statements that we observe that are continuously getting wrong. मतलब they are wrong options. So we came out with some of these tricks, so-called tricks, which I do not say that it gets applied every time, but थोड़ा बहुत apply हो जाता है, जो भी हो जाए कहीं पे. तो वैसे कुछ चीज़ें निकाली. बाकी
टेस्ट वगैरह लिखे होंगे आपने कुछ?
टेस्ट तो मैंने बताया जैसे
70 to 80 tests.
So I wanted to ask something. Now, if you solve a paper,
Yes, sir.
you know that this many questions are correct, this many are wrong. Test solve करने के बाद आपका process क्या है? What do you do on a test? Solve the test.
Yes, sir. सर तो इसमें कुछ लोग बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम देते हैं एनालिसिस पे, 2-3 घंटे. सर मैंने क्या किया कि आई जस्ट गेव 1 hour टू एनालिसिस पोर्शन. उसमें देखा कि क्या क्वेश्चंस मेरे गलत हो रहे हैं. अगर बेसिक क्वेश्चंस बहुत गलत हो रहे हैं, कोई बेसिक बुक के क्वेश्चन, तो आई यूज टू गो बैक टू द स्टैंडर्ड बुक्स एंड रिवाइज द थिंग. So this was my.
That's great. Now to you.
So mains, I think that's one part where you have done really well,
Yes, sir.
both in terms of GS and optional. So what was your strategy different from your last mains to this mains in GS?
Yes, sir. So, apart from the test series that I joined here in XTIS, sir, I used to solve 3 hours test of PYQs. So, I used to write those PYQs in 3 hours, and then, sir, any standard model answers, I used to match it with that, and I used to add points then and there कि मेरे ये points छूट गए, उसको मैं add करूँ वहाँ पे. और फिर क्योंकि कुछ क्वेश्चंस थे जो जैसे इस बार भी वेटलैंड का शायद जो क्वेश्चन आया था वो 2018 में कभी पूछा जा सकता है.
Means I think lot of themes repeat and lot of areas are predictable.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Sir, if you remember last year's rank 7, Wasim also had very similar strategy. It was all PYQ.
Yes, sir.
PYQ helps a lot, even in prelims and in mains both.
Yes, sir. So it was more PYQ based.
And so you should see her answers. It's more diagrams than less sentences. And I think this year a lot of people will try to emulate you. And so you, I think, tried a lot of diagrams this time.
Yes, sir.
And very less sentences. I think I was looking at one of her papers, and out of 20 questions, I think 15-16 questions were all schematic.
Even I have seen in case Ruhani's copy also.
Rank 5
she
also
wrote so many answers in the schematic
format. So I think this year's trend will be schematic. I think everybody will write.
But every answer should not be in that way. Because it depends on the question also, how it has to be written.
No, so the advantage of schematic is that you will be able to give more arguments.
More arguments, and you can save the time also.
Save time and more factual specific arguments also.
And easy to read. Examiner can very well read in
easy, faster evaluation. I think that also helps. So how was your approach in introducing and concluding your answers in GS?
Yes, sir. Some of them say that they have planned, already plan what introduction and conclusion has to be written. So, but I did not plan anything like that. So, I had some idea in my mind that how to end the questions. So, for example, in history, sir, I tried to make it a very chronological conclusion that what happened next in that event or what is happening at present.
So, it's forward-looking.
Forward-looking. And for like, sir, GS2 polity section, I tried to end with some judgment or some committee report that all of us
I always believe so that the conclusion should be good, because that is the last thing that the evaluator reads before he puts marks.
Right.
So if the conclusion is good, that will get you
introduction and conclusion.
It should the first impression and the last impression should always
sir. But sir, I would like to break a myth here, sir. Usually we say that without introduction conclusion we don't score marks. So but in GS1 I remember I had some time crunch and I did not write conclusion.
4 or 5 questions.
I did not write it. And my GS scores I am seeing this time, the average score is like 80s and I scored 101. So I think that...
I think the highest in paper 1 this year is 108 so far what I have seen.
Okay.
So this is a very high score.
Sir.
And so what happens is that nobody is able to maintain the same quality of answers for all 20 questions.
All 20 questions.
14-15 questions, everybody will write very good answers, and last 5 is
very hurried
whatever you can do.
Time crunch is there.
So ethics, how was your score this year?
118 marks.
118. So relatively, I think ethics has not done as well as GS 1, 2, 3, because ethics has, I think, gone up to 145 marks also, I think.
Sir, I did not see anybody else. I'm just into my own world.
So usually, people analyze a lot of marks.
Single digit rank has come. And doesn't matter which paper was high, which was
low.
The overall score is high. That's all.
But sir, there are also some students, even after getting rank, they'll call and say that ethics mark come. I'm like, abhi to nikal gaya. Like now,
you are selected. Why
you Why do you have to worry? So, essay, how was your strategy for essay?
Yes, sir. Sir, I would like to tell my essay marks, how it fluctuated. Sir, in first attempt, I scored 125, which was pretty decent that time. Second attempt, I scored only 89 marks.
89 marks. Yes. 125 is 89.
89. Fourth attempt, I have scored 137.
137.
Which is...
So, it's going up and down.
Yeah. So, I know what actually works in the exam. Sir, also, I think... Sir, luck is a major factor there, because what happened was that...
The choice of topic.
Sir, also, sir, it is a very big thing that happened to me in the paper. So, what happened, I read only toppers' answers, what they have written. So, I was going through the rank 51 who scored 161 marks. He had written a topic, all those who wanted are not lost. I don't know what happened to me. I read his essay twice. And the same topic got repeated in the paper.
Same context.
Same. and I started with his introduction. And many of the topics,
ideas and arguments you picked up.
Yeah.
So I think that this is good suggestion that ki students who are going to write next year, they should go through the toppers copies and these good scorers copies.
And that also gives an idea of what is working in UPSC.
Yes.
What kind of approach is UPSC rewarding, right? What worked in UPSC.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So I also did this time, and that I collected some of the examples from toppers copies and I used to paste them in my notes कि ये है एक एग्जाम्पल, इनको कहीं पे भी फिट करना है, जो भी आर्ग्यूमेंट दे करके फिट करना है उसको. तो मैंने कुछ ऐसे एग्जाम्पल्स एथिक्स में भी जो एग्जाम्पल्स कलेक्ट किए थे 70-80, तो उनको भी ऐसे में इंक्लूड करने की कोशिश की.
I think so. One thing that we provided with the test series was the analytics of marks, and I think that also helped.
Yes, sir. I have also mentioned this analytic वाला कि मैंने जो अपना चीज मैंने शेयर की है, वो उसमें लिखा है कि this analytics is very good that they have provided.
Because we were able to give comparative marks of each question with others, and it helps analyze better.
Right. And now coming to the next stage of the interview. So, how was your interview and how you performed during the day of interview?
Yes,
in that 15-20 minutes? Here, the role is only 30 minutes maximum, 35 minutes. So, how it went and how it started?
Sir, everybody, when I was preparing for interview stage, sir, everybody was saying that you will score 200 plus. Everybody, like everybody. So, I felt that...
फिर तो आपका रैंक 1 आ जाता
वही कि मतलब उस टाइम पे लग रहा था कि फिर मतलब मेरा एक तो फर्स्ट फेज में आ गया था 18 जनवरी एंड आई ऑल्सो हैड UPPCS इंटरव्यू ऑन 12th of January. तो मेरे लिए बहुत एक्टिक हो गया था वो टाइम. बिल्कुल एक तो साड़ी बनाना कि बेस्ट लुक देना है वहाँ पे, पूरा सब कुछ अच्छे से बाल के, वो इतनी सारी चीज़ें देखनी पड़ती है. तो बहुत कम टाइम था मेरे पास प्रिपेयर करने के लिए. तो मतलब जब मैंने इंटरव्यू दिया था, मेरा इंटरव्यू ट्रांसक्रिप्ट, एवरीबॉडी सेइंग दैट इट इज सच अ नाइस ट्रांसक्रिप्ट बिकॉज there was so much of situational question that if you were given a time machine, what 2 events would you like to reverse back in time, or how will you use history in administration? These kind of situational questions they asked. So I thought that it went very good, but yes sir, I also felt that some of the questions could have been answered better. But I was expecting 190 plus, but then
actually this is where the luck matters.
Yes sir.
उस दिन सूरज कहाँ से निकला?
But I think that's not a bad score also. I think
it's a good score. But always there are expectations because she was prepared well. And सबसे important क्या है ना कि आपको इवेल्युएट किया जिन्होंने पहले, उन्होंने बोला कि आपका स्कोर 200 आएगा, तो वो एक बेंचमार्क सेट हो जाता है.
So this is Shruti Sharma strategy also, because return may bring maximum score, so that interview score does not matter. Right? So that's, I think, what does work for you also. That your return score was very good. So interview score 5-10 marks would not make a difference.
So, but when the result came out and the mark sheet was not out yet, I was thinking that interview score has pulled me. So when I saw the mark sheet, oh my god, it's your history optional that has pulled me. That's such a rank.
You faced any such situation?
Yes sir.
And how did you overcome with this?
Yes sir. Sir, I would like to thank my parents and my peer group, sir. They actually have pulled me out from that situation, because everybody would believe in you when you have cleared the exam, but only few people would believe in you when you are struggling. In fact,
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो आइसोलेट हो जाते हैं, स्पेशली व्हेन दे फेल. जैसे नहीं हुआ मेंस में या प्रीलिम्स से अगली बार क्लियर नहीं हुआ आपका, तो यू हैड अ वेरी गुड पीयर ग्रुप एंड दैट इज व्हाट यू टोल्ड कि उसने बहुत हेल्प की. और बहुत सारे ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स हैं दे आइसोलेट देम, और आफ्टर आइसोलेशन फिर वो और वर्स्ट हो जाता है.
Yes sir.
So this is good suggestion which you have given कि peer group is important.
Yes sir.
So that quality of peer group is also very important, because if that peer group is not competitive, that also works against. And I think that is very good. That is very important. That that peer group should be very hardworking.
So Nausheen, what suggestion or advice you would like to give to these students? अब क्योंकि 2 ही महीने बचे हुए हैं, so many of them will be in this stage of anxiety.
Yes sir. So 2 messages I have for the aspirant community. So first is self-belief. Second are not following any topper blindly. Making own strategy and believing on that this is going to work and this is going to get you a rank. So this is my only message to the aspirants.
So thank you Nausheen for joining us and having the discussion on strategy. So dear friends, this was discussion with Nausheen. She has cracked UPSC Civil Services 2023 with All India rank 9. And her optional was history, and the score of history optional was 308. So once again, congratulations
Thank you so
and well
much.
done. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Nausheen.
Thank you.